I'm recording. Gasp.
Me too. I was having technical difficulties. Okay, I'm scaring Jen. Just need to try. We're doing my second one and what? You're like fourth one?
Wah. Third,
Your
fourth.
fourth, eighth, third. I don't know.
If we're counting, this is like my 5th match. Because both my matches against Rainiac and Shadow I forgot to record the first time around. Whoops. Actually, it's funny because before fighting you, I was actually training with Rainiac.
Oh god. I'm gonna die already. I was afraid of that.
Yeah.
This is what happens when I actually get flavor crap.
Ow. That hurt. Let me ask you a question. Oh. Well, actually, I'm not going to particularly ask. There, I asked the question. It was Terry's. It's before the Buster Wolf throw. Pick the right character, shall we? But hey, guess what? New scenery.
Hey, that's my house.
You mean your bridge?
Yep. Don't disrespect the bridge. They're attached to
You hit me. I must Wow, that was almost about as interesting as mine Rainiac's double KO.
See, that's the thing, is Freedom's much better against, well, Freedom.
Well, Rainiac plays a mean Freeman.
Well, we were actually pretty good when we were fighting.
BAM!
No, I don't do that. Well, that's it for me.
Well,
At least it went fast, I guess.
oh, I'm stopping my recording.